These investors with a global presence in 30 countries have been in Zimbabwe for the past 5 years. They've signed a joint venture to ensure electricity is countrywide.
So today we mark a massive milestone. We are about to establish the first joint venture that will support the presidential program of electrification of rural areas. We are starting with the factory of the cables.
Investment in infrastructure development for the energy sector is crucial for this Southern African country. Cables manufacturing will be the first phase, followed by smart meters.
Looking into the production of new cables that will replace the old cables that we used to have, and this will ensure that electricity is going to be supplied to all the corners of our nation.
Zesa board chairman Sydney Gata says the country needs cables covering thousands of kilometers. He says it's possible to cover every corner of Zimbabwe in the next 5 to 6 years.
It is onerous, but it's feasible. It can be done. So this project is another importance. To attain those targets, you need 3 parameters. You need professional leadership, which is experience, of course. You need a techno-industrial capacity, and Zimbabwe has got a lot of technicians.
The project, expected to take off in 9 months, comes at a time when the country is also trying to create value chains to efficiently utilize the country's resources.
But this project has told us that we can manufacture very sophisticated equipment here in Zimbabwe. So that is its importance. It has confirmed to us the possibility that we can be self-sufficient in the supply of the hardware that goes to electrification projects.
The initiative comes at a time when rural schools are greatly disadvantaged.
Our plan is to start the electrification of the schools across the remote areas, bring connectivity as well as devices, computer, laptops, tablets to the students to give them access to the world-class education.
Primary and Secondary Education Ministry believes this is a big boost.
We are going to bridge the gap in terms of disparities between urban schools and rural schools. Rural schools usually, they are normally left behind, and that's why they don't normally pass very well compared to urban schools. So through this innovation, we are going to benefit immensely because the rural schools learners will benefit, and as you are aware, we are introducing.
This investment is also a foundation for other sectors, including mining and agriculture. With many projects being started across the country, increased power generation should then be the next step. Gata for ZTN Prime in Harare.
Konapo Konapo, Ipapo Ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.